Water now.
So the new tank's been put in there, and this one, says second. This one says second. Is that wrong? You said this is first floor?
This is the first floor. This is the first floor.
This one says second on it.
Who did that? That's wrong.
That's wrong?
Yeah, that's wrong.
So
First
this is
the new tank.
first floor is the new tank.
Yeah.
All right. Well, you got a call for oil, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna call him right now.
Thought it's been 2 years. Yeah, it's been 2 years.
Been 2 years on these two?
18. Yeah.
Oh, we did it last year.
Don't look like it. How come? When you gonna retire?
You can afford it.
You're gonna be like me, semi-retired.
You semi-retired?
Oh, I kinda. I mean, I kinda work half days.
Good for you.
Why not?
Yeah, you can do it. God bless. You still living over here in your
Yeah.
house?
Still in that same shit shack. I mean, I should have got something better, but I should be like you, trying to keep up with the Joneses.
No, I never tried to keep up with the Joneses.
Huh?
I think about selling everything and we can move to something small.
Move to Florida where it's warm out.
Nah, I don't want to go. I'd probably strangle my wife.
Uh-huh.
Probably kill my wife if I moved down there. We wouldn't get along that way. I'd like to take like a month off and just organize my life. You know what I'm saying?
That's what I did with the Corona hit. I took some time off. I took 7 weeks off because I didn't know how bad it was going to be.
Yep.
And I don't know, after that I had to go back to work. I was starting to go batty. Starting to look like you, all stressed out.
Yeah.
I'm only kidding.
I am all stressed out.
So what's going on with the liquor stuff? I mean, you got a, don't you own a bar or something?
Liquor store. Yeah.
Oh, it's
Another guy.
these. I feel sorry for these guys with these bars. I mean, it's really, they've shut down.
Yeah. The liquor store is really busy. It's just it's a pain in the ass trying to get product.
You can't go to the bars, so they go to they buy it there, right?
Yeah.
You having a hard time getting stuff?
Yeah.
I heard that the Coors Light 30 packs are getting hard to find. Is that true?
Can't get them. No, can't get them.
How come?
We got in 15 30 packs. We ordered like 200 at a time. Got 15 in yesterday. We haven't got them in 3 weeks. They say it's because they can't get the aluminum.
Is that what it is?
If they use Chinese aluminum, they can't get it anymore.
Son of a gun, huh?
What they say. You do videotape yourself doing this all the time?
I do.
Why?
You should try suing my ass. I got some kind of record.
I'm not gonna sue anybody's ass.
Huh?
Never sued anybody in my life.
No,
Too
I
late to
just
do it now.
do it, and just to have it. Why not? Sometimes I get problems. I look back and I say, "Oh shit! Look at that, son of a bitch! I forgot to do it." Right?
Mm-hmm.
So what one is this? First or second floor? That's fine. Look at that. It's like brand new, the nozzle. So
Yeah, I think that's like first. I think this is first floor.
this is the first.
Pretty sure. Yeah.
So that's the old tank, right?
First floor is new tank.
First floor.
Don't go by who wrote this on here. Second floor. This is the first floor. This is the new tank. First floor.
First floor is the new tank.
This
Your
is
name?
the first floor.
Your name Biden?
Yeah, yeah. I could be president.
Uh-huh.
First floor is the new tank. So that is the second floor. You're right.
Okay, so the first floor is the new tank.
Yeah. Yep. This is the first floor burner right here.
Do what you say, not as you do. Right?
Yeah.
Is that your motto?
I don't know what. I don't have any mottos. Fucking try to survive minute to minute. Try to figure it out.
That's what happens. You've been married for 30 years. You start going batty. No?
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah, you do all right. Hey, does your truck burn oil?
No.
Fucking brand new GMC I bought. Thing uses oil.
Really?
Yeah. 3 quarts of oil for every oil change.
You gotta bring it back, man. You gotta call them up.
I did, and they saying, oh, you're out of warranty and all this shit. And
3 quarts of oil every oil change.
yeah. It's got that motor that goes from 4 to 8, switches from 4 to 8.
That's what I got. 4 to 6 to 8, or 4 to 8.
Piece of shit.
Hey, I got good luck with mine. I got no.
I'll never buy another GM. I should have bought a fucking Japanese car.
Really? You got trouble with that? Ford?
I've had them my whole life, these GMs, but no more. I ain't buying another one.
Mine's got no trouble with that.
Mine's got 20,000 miles on it. It's using all this oil. Believe that shit?
No, I don't.
And this supposedly that's the way they all are, from what they're saying there at the dealer. They're all
I
bad.
wouldn't believe them. Fuck them.
I talked to a couple other guys and they're having the same problem with the same
Really?
year. The 14.
What year is yours?
14.
2014?
Yeah. So when I hardly ever
How
drove.
many miles on it?
Hardly ever drove the thing. It's got like 28,000 on it. Nothing for
So
mileage.
it's the same year as mine.
Yeah, it's crazy.
I don't burn the oil. Miles.
So how come this thing's not flying? There we go. Good oil flow, yeah, that's good.
So you change the nozzle when you do it.
I changed the nozzle already, and I checked the oil flow. We're getting a good flow, so filters are still good. I'm gonna check the draft. Like I said, I do what I have to do to keep these things going for you. I mean, that's my job, right? And if it's not acting up, you call me to fix it. Draft. These are rentals anyway, right? But you don't want to run out of oil. You better call and tell them.
Let's call them right now while I'm thinking.
Yeah. So this thing sounds like a shitbox.
Why?
Hear it? Vibrating and everything else.
Why are you doing that?
I don't know. Might be a GM. Might be a GMC.
Yeah, could be. Burn it all. What is that, the motor? This rambling?
It is what it is, guys. No miracle worker.
Oh, what do you think that's shaking? It's gotta be something loose, you know?
It's doing the funky chicken. It's doing the chicken dance. The chicken dance. Yeah, just call the guy and just tell him that he's out of oil.
I'm gonna go around. I'll be right back.
So if he runs out and you call me, got no heat, guess what?
Won't clean the oil.
Gonna be a service call. Alright, so we got a new nozzle, good oil flow, good draft over fire. It's been a couple of years since I've been here last. Yeah, so it's been no filter at tank. Well, this one here's got the, I don't know if this is the second or the first floor. But he's got a new tank replaced. Because one was leaking. And this one here is just about out of oil. And, this one's ready to go for another season, I guess, for now. Get over and we'll do that one too. Change the nozzle and check this one while I'm here. Same thing here, yeah, it's been a couple of years. This one's been a few years. So we'll see what we could do here. See, old dark and dingy, mama. Dark and dingy. Get the power off. Get the power off to this one too.
Stevie!
You got your glasses there. Did you forget them?
No, I don't need them. You see them as using the
You
drive.
don't need them now, but you will in a little
I
bit.
know.
When you're gonna
Appreciate
say,
that,
where the hell's my glasses?
Yeah, I'm not that fucking bright. I always tell you that, Steve. I'm not fucking smart. What about you? You married?
No, I got married one time and then that was it. Just one time.
Got enough.
Well, I mean, I guess maybe if I found the right girl, I might consider it. But she'd have to be rich and good looking. Right?
Yeah, it's a good combo. I just told him, say that all we got today.
Ooh, look at that, nice and clean there, that one.
Is it? Yeah, he said he never uses it. So
Is that what he said?
Yeah. I said, put some freaking oil in the tank.
So what does he do? Is one of these guys where he just, how come there's no lights down here, guy?
I don't know. I gotta find out what happened to him. I'm gonna ask the kids.
Jesus Christ, I mean.
I had like 3 or 4. There was 2 or 3 of those. What do you call them? You know,
Yeah.
what the fuck happened to them?
Price has just gone up. Working my ass off down here in the dark.
Jesus Christ, you're like an old lady for Christ's sakes.
Huh?
Like an old lady, getting as bad as Ogwen. Need another old lady. Jesus, man, relax, take it easy.
Yeah, it doesn't even look like he even used this thing, huh?
Yeah, I don't think he
One of these guys where he just don't turn the heat on?
He sucks off the people's heat on the bottom because he lives upstairs. So
Oh,
he probably
okay.
has a couple of them electric heaters and that's it. It's only him by himself. He goes, why, is it empty, the oil? I says, yeah, it's fucking empty. I says, I don't even want to clean it because it's going to be all the fucking sludge in there.
Well, we'll find out. Don't look bad. Look bad. He hardly ever uses it, huh?
Yeah, but yeah, he's got even this one's got a. Yeah, he's got to do some more.
You wished it was gas here, huh?
Michael put these boilers in a long time ago. It's probably, I don't know, it's probably 15 years now, 20 years. These fucking boilers, not new anymore. Busy? Well, as busy as you want to be, right?
Yeah, I'm busy. I mean, like you said, I kind of like working half days. Why not?
Yeah, good for you.
Yeah, I get calls, but I try to work from like 8 to 12. You know, unless I gotta do a boiler or something like that. And if I get all kinds of crazy calls, I might do them. We'll see. I mean.
You just do boiler work now or something? That's it?
No, plumbing, heat, and air conditioning repairs.
Alright, so give me the idea. What should I do with my air conditioning up front?
Well, it's still working, isn't it?
Yeah, it's still working, but I guess if I replace them, I got to get a new kind. The kind I got's out of date. That's what Michael said something about. No, you don't got to replace them. You got to replace them. You got to fucking get a whole new system.
Just leave it alone for now. I mean, don't worry about it when when you get no air conditioning. We'll worry about it at that point. How's that sound?
I can live with that.
Yeah.
Consider now that gives me another 9 months. I don't have to worry about it. Right?
Well, it's been working.
Yeah, it worked
You haven't
also.
called me, right?
No, it works. Yeah.
All right, don't worry about it. I mean, when it ain't working anymore, well, then you got to do something about it, right?
Right.
Until then, don't worry about it. I call that kicking the can down the road. Kick the can down the road.
Yeah, it's just like that whole life.
Eventually, you know, it's gonna have to be upgraded or changed or fixed. We'll worry about it at that point. The guys, they'll be over here trying to sell you a $15,000 piece of equipment. You know, oh my God, you gotta go with this certain one, and it's gonna give you a back rub and, you know, scratch your feet at the same time. No?
Yeah.
Getting a good oil flow there on this one too.
God's a good thing. The only one that was hands up was mine.
Thank God for the little things in life. That should be like some of these other guys. That'd be a multi-millionaire selling all kinds of systems every day, and that'd be rich.
Sell my house. What am I gonna do?
I don't know, maybe I've always lived within my means. I don't really spend a lot of money. I don't waste a lot, so I guess I don't need a lot. How's that sound? Yeah, we got draft. We got draft over the fire. That's what we want. We got lucky. See, so a lot of guys would come in here, they put a brand new filter at the tank, they put a new filter at the pump, and charge you for this stuff, and you don't even need it, because we're getting a good oil flow. If you went, like at your house, you had issues there. We had to change them both, clean them and get a good flow, but now, that was 4 years ago. So I could have sold you 4 filters and 4 pump filters, and I mean, every year it adds up, it adds up, it adds up, right? Yeah. I do what needs to be done. Maybe that's all why I only work half days. It's all good. Everybody's got their own way of doing shit, right?
Yeah.
As long as it works and you got heat, and, I mean, that's what matters. Got no heat, you be calling me. Yeah. I gotta come fix it. So there's a little dark down here.
Stop complaining. You got it made. Now you gotta go home, sit down, relax, have a cup of coffee, watch TV.
I have to go. I got other jobs. This is not my first rodeo here, you know. Not my last rodeo. Stop your bitching, he says. Almost a couple of times.
You have any kids? No?
Yeah, I got one daughter.
Oh, alright. Because he's such a nice guy. Mike is a nice guy.
New nozzle, good oil flow, good draft.